Welcome back to our channel, Dave and Rose Travels. In this video, we take you around to some fancy cars. The Concourse de Elegance had just been in Las Vegas. We take you to a high roller machine to see if we're millionaires. And then we go out to the Las Vegas Strip to look at the Siegfried and Roy star and statue. So stay tuned, it's gonna be fun. Dave and Rose Travels. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up and hit that notification bell. Before we go out to the Las Vegas Strip, we want to walk around and check out some of these fancy cars that they have here at the WYNN Las Vegas. Hold on a moment. Have you seen our last video where we check in to the WYNN Las Vegas and we take you to our room, which is in the ENCORE at the WYNN section of the WYNN Hotel. We do a fancy room tour, then we go to Charlie's and have some fabulous food. So make sure you watch that video because it's a must-see. The Concourse de Elegance, which is held once a year at the WYNN Las Vegas, had just been here from October 28th to October 30th. This car show appears in different locations throughout the year, so if it's something you want to see, you should definitely look it up on Google. The cars that had been left behind were super cool, super fancy, and boy, I'm imagining that some of them can drive pretty fast. There was definitely a lot of security around all of these cars, and some of them were behind glass. And here we are at a $25 2-credit machine. Are we going to be millionaires or billionaires? Not today. It took me a little bit to find some information about this display. This is the shrine of four-faced Brahma. This is the Indian god Brahma statue. It is a hidden gem on the grounds of the Caesar's Palace. In the information that I found, this is supposed to be a perfect little spot to meditate on the busy Las Vegas Strip. Here we are at the Siegfried and Roy Monument, located on the Las Vegas Strip. Actually is located on a historical landmark. This is a massive bronze statue depicting the famed performers and cat tamers, Siegfried and Roy. Unfortunately, Siegfried and Roy have both passed on, passing within a year of each other. Unfortunately, Roy was killed by one of their famous tigers, and Siegfried died from cancer within a year of Roy's death. And some of their white lions and white tigers are now on display at the Mirage at the Secret Garden, which you can pay to see. And of course, not every display in Las Vegas is famous. Some are just people coming to Las Vegas to show some of their fancy moves. And this girl, she's got some fancy moves. We're walking back to go to the WYNN Las Vegas so that we could go to bed because our WYNN vacation is coming to an end. We need to get to bed early so that we can get up at the butt crack of dawn tomorrow and be on our way to Cancun. Make sure you're subscribed. It's the only way to see our upcoming Mexico content.
The next day,
6 a.m. flight to Dallas on our way to Cancun.
Make sure you're subscribed. In our upcoming video, you'll be flying with us from Las Vegas, Nevada to Dallas, Texas. We eat some lunch, have some beers, and then we catch our next leg that goes to Cancun, Mexico. I'm so excited. Playa del Carmen, here we come. We have some fun content coming up. We go to Playa del Carmen, we check into the HM Hotel, we stay there for a week, we make our way to Cancun, I get super sick. Some fun videos coming up.